Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Today, my heart's going like a mile a minute right now. I'm just like losing my mind from excitement and oh my god! Okay, calm down. Goose fraba, goose fraba. Okay, so today is an exciting video because I received an amazing, exciting call yesterday, and shortly after I received an email. And do you want to know who that call and email was from? Let me tell you. It was from NYX Cosmetics. This bitch right here is in the NYX Cosmetics Makeup Face Awards 2019. This is the 8th annual Face Awards, and I made it in to the top 30. I am like losing my shit right now. I am so excited that NYX noticed me enough to accept me into this challenge and be one of the top 30. I am like so crazy happy and so crazy excited. I'm going to read the email that I received from them to you guys so you can share this excitement with me. Okie dokie. Woo. So I opened up my email yesterday and I got, "Hi there, we are thrilled to congratulate you on making it to the 8th annual Face Awards Top 30. Your creativity and artistry blew us away. We cannot wait to see what you create for the first challenge." First things first, they attached a bunch of files for me to like sign and send back and all of that stuff. Then next up, as a reminder of the top 30, you have been granted access to the Epidemic Sound as a vast library of royalty-free music to use in my video challenges. Finally, you'll be receiving a set of boxes this week. These will include gifts from our amazing sponsors, along with plenty of NYX professional makeup product for you to use in your first video challenge. Keep an eye out for those, and please feel free to film a YouTube unboxing video to share your swag. If you do post, send us the link so we can share it as well. A friendly reminder, please refrain from posting anything on your social media accounts until we make the official announcement on our Instagram tomorrow, which is today. So excited. We are ecstatic to have you on board for the 8th annual Face Awards. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Warm regards, NYX professional makeup team. Oh my god, I'm like losing my shit right now. I am so excited. I couldn't have done it without you guys pushing me out of my comfort zone and just pushing past what I did before and just creating amazing looks now. And every day I'm learning more and more, and I cannot wait to start this challenge with you guys and these other 29 contestants. I cannot wait to share this awesome opportunity. And I'm like lost for words right now. I cannot explain how excited I am. I got like goosebumps. Like my hair's sticking up right now because I'm just so excited. Oh man, I cannot wait to see what the first challenge is. It's gonna be so exciting. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just want to throw a huge thanks to all my subscribers and everyone who's pushed me so far to create these amazing looks, and the amazing look that got me into this top 30 for the Face Awards. You guys are incredible, and I couldn't do it without your support and comments and love. You guys are just such an amazing community that I have here, and thank you so much, and I hope you continue to support me along this journey in the first round of the top 30 challenge. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, so stay tuned for further updates on the Face Awards and the first challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, as well as comment down below what you think the first challenge might be. Let me know in the comments, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye!